वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल। सो आज की वीडियो बहुत छोटी सी कट शॉर्ट होने वाली है। आई एम जस्ट गेटिंग रेडी फॉर द ऑफिस। सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू शो यू व्हाट ऑल आई डू फॉर माई स्किन प्रेप। आई डू मेकअप बट वो इतना ज़्यादा नहीं होता है, इट्स जस्ट द बेसिक नॉर्मल मेकअप। सो अभी देर इज़ नथिंग ऑन माई स्किन, सो आई ऑलवेज प्रेफर to start with the serum, not with the toner but with the serum. So for the serum I have two options. One is the Well niacinamide and another is Bella Vita 10% niacinamide. So these two brands are my most trusted brands. My skin is my skin is sensitive plus dry, so I always prefer to use niacinamide. So niacinamide I prefer कि after a certain age अगर आप use करो, it works wonders on your skin. So for today I'm using this Well's वाला niacinamide. So whenever you're going to use a serum, I always prefer to shake it well. Then take some amount on your hand, this much only. It's very important to rub it on your hand so that with the heat of your palm, the chemicals of this get activated. You see, it's all white right now. Forehead, eyes, face, and never forget your neck. Yeah. So till the time this gets absorbed, क्योंकि मेरे फेस पे कुछ नहीं है. Toner I always prefer in the PM routine. बिकॉज उसका ये होता है व्हेन यू डू योर फेस वॉश. आई जनरली डू फेस वॉश वंस अ डे. दैट इज़ वंस आई कम बैक फ्रॉम द ऑफिस. इट्स ऑल डस्ट एंड एवरीथिंग, सो आई जस्ट वॉन्ट एवरीथिंग टू बी जस्ट वॉश्ड ऑफ. सो उस टाइम आप यूज़ करो अपना फेस वॉश. उसके साथ यू कैन यूज़ अ टोनर, यू कैन यूज़ वीको टर्मरिक जस्ट यू नो हील एवरीथिंग. अगर पिम्पल्स है या कुछ भी है तो उस पर्पज़ के लिए. सो नाउ द सीरम इज़ ऑल एब्जॉर्ब्ड. Now I am using a moisturizer, which is the Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer. This is again my most trusted moisturizer ever. I don't know why, but it's just work so good. It actually all depends on the weather. कि अगर weather थोड़ा dry है या कैसा नहीं तो उसके accordingly I use moisturizer. I don't prefer amount कि इतना ही use करना चाहिए. So I'm taking this much. Again rubbing it over my palms so that it gets all the chemicals get activated. अगर आप directly use करो it do works, but I prefer कि once it's get activated तो वो और अच्छे से काम करता है. Mostly लोग सीरम के बाद ये यूज़ करते हैं, but I don't know उसका क्या नाम है, but I just really like this using over my face. So ऐसा नहीं है कि whenever you are using or choosing your skin care routine कि आपके पास बहुत सारे पैसे होने चाहिए या it is going to cost you this much or that much. मेरी स्किन केयर रूटीन इज़ वेरी सिंपल, AM वाली PM वाली, it's in your budget. So the most important thing you really need to understand the type of your skin. अब स्किन का क्या होता है, जैसे कि आपने when there is nothing on your face, you can just wash off your face. एंड उसके बाद इफ़ यू आर फीलिंग ड्राई कि यहाँ पर ड्राइनेस है, इधर है, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंगली यू कैन चूज़ योर सीरम. एंड इफ़ यू थिंक इट्स ऑयली, एंड बेसिकली क्या होता है कि समर्स में आपकी स्किन अलग होती है एंड विंटर्स में अलग होती है. सो मेरी समर्स में स्किन बहुत ऑयली नहीं रहती है, इट्स मोस्टली सेंसिटिव, एंड इन विंटर्स इट्स मोर इन टू द ड्राई पार्ट. तो मेरे सीरम्स, मेरे मॉइस्चराइजर्स उसके अकॉर्डिंगली है, बिकॉज इट्स मार्च, सीजन इज़ चेंजिंग. सो वी प्रेफर कि मैं अपना जो रूटीन है बहुत सिंपल रखूँ, ज़्यादा कुछ उसमें होता है ना, तामझाम नहीं चाहिए मुझे. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, सनस्क्रीन, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अब मेरे पास सनस्क्रीन क्या, आई शो यू. आई हैव टू ऑप्शंस. Both are from Dot & Key. One is the stick and one is the watermelon cooling sunscreen. I use this one in summers the most. And ये वाला you can use it anytime. Anytime it's this one. Don't have to do anything. मैं उसको मेकअप के ऊपर से तो नहीं कभी यूज़ करती, because I don't use all these concealers, foundations and all. I prefer कि only use it on certain occasions. Daily using foundations on your skin gives it really difficult time for you. Whatever kharcha I do on my skincare, it's very in your budget. It's nothing like that ki it's going to cost you a good amount. Never. So iske baad I am thinking of doing an eyeliner or maybe a kajal today. I'm not sure. With this lipstick, I'm going to do an eyeliner with my Face Canada lipstick. So whenever I do a corporate makeup kind of look, whenever I'm in office, I don't want something कि मैं बिल्कुल अलग ही चमकूँ, अलग ही मेरी स्किन टोन दिख रही है, अलग ही, because ऑफिस में people don't get that much dressed up. ऑफिस में ज़्यादा लोग ड्रेस अप नहीं होते, and I've even seen it's been 3 years working in corporate, people don't even do good makeup. They prefer to make it more simple, casual. Okay. So nahi, I don't go with the winged eyes or something like that, but I like to do this halka sa stroke, which gives a really sharpness in your eyes. So eyeliner or makeup में what max I can do is I can use a blush, or I can use, I always prefer to use a nude shade of lipstick. This is Nuts About You number 13, and this cost me around 350 rupees. It's a very pretty nude shade. It's just so soft. हाँ ये होता है that you have to reapply, but that is more into the half day of your office. I don't prefer a lip liner. Sometimes मुझ पे डिपेंड करता है because I am always getting late for my office, so it's just this. That's it. It's the perfect nude for every day. So I do have more options and everything. वो मैं आपको जब मैं बताऊंगी what all kind of lipsticks I have, that time I'm going to show you. But if I talk about blush, so now आज मन कर रहा है कि आज थोड़ा सा blush लगाते हैं. So blush के लिए I don't have any specific products. I take another lipstick. This is brown. I'm taking this L18 lipstick. इसका है shade P29. I'm going to use it a bit here and here. And then because your skin is very well moisturized, I'm going to just smudge it like this. And I generally don't use blush. That all depends on my mood. कर लिया नहीं किया. That's it. So this is my skin prep for the day and the basic makeup. So with that, अभी बस हमें ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करना. We are just going to comb our hairs. मेरी वीडियो से ऐसा तो दिख ही रहा होगा कि I am not someone कि जो fake दिखाए वीडियोस में and all that thing. I don't know कौन करता है कौन नहीं. I don't do that. So मैं सोच रही हूँ ये वाला ब्रेसलेट पहनने को. It's very pretty. It's from the brand Pico and Pinka, which I love it. These cute charms है और ये मेरी बहन का है जो मैं चुरा रही हूँ. So pretty. And बाल हो गए. Perfume. This is from Miniso. आपने मेरी बहन का Miniso haul देखा होगा. So we share stuff as in makeup stuff. Okay, so one thing which I always do, this is, I'll take a perfume. This is from the Bella Vita Senorita. Very nice. I take my brush. उसपे I just spray a little and just comb my hair. अब इसका फ़ायदा ये होता है that this is going to act as your hair perfume, because I'm not directly putting it over my hair, but it's going to smell great. While you work in a corporate, it's more like कि आप खुद पर ना ध्यान उतना नहीं दे पाते हो. So I make sure कि I should smell good all day long. And no one should feel like कि oh it's such a negative vibe. मेरे पास options है earrings पहनने के, दिखाती हूँ. इतने सारे options हैं. But let it be. आज मूड नहीं है earrings का. So that is it. That is it for the day. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. This is the basic in your budget skincare and skincare makeup routine for your everyday corporate. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Let me know what else you want to see in my next vlog. Bye bye.